In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a washer fluid reservoir on a Toyota Corolla. This is located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. We're going to start off by opening our hood and locating our bumper and removing our three 10mm bolts. Two on the sides and one in the middle. Remove these. And set these aside. On each corner of the bumper, pull it up to release it from the tabs. While pulling back on our bumper, we're going to locate our sonar connector and remove it. I'll be using some pliers. Just squeeze the tab and pull it out. And set it aside. We're going to move under the bumper and locate 10mm bolts. Our vehicle only has 6, so we're going to remove these now. Two in the middle. Moving on to the corner of each bumper, we're going to locate these two clips holding the fender liners down. To separate them, just pull them apart. We're going to move on to the corner of the bumper and locate this screw. There's one on each side. Remove it using a flat blade or Phillips head screwdriver. I'll be using a flat blade. And repeat this process for the other side. Now pull away the tabs on each corner of the bumper. Do the same for the other side. Once those are free, pull the bumper away from the vehicle. We're also going to remove our filler neck. Locate the filler neck on the passenger side of the vehicle and its bushman clip. Remove it using a trim tool. Now pull it up, work it free, and set it aside. Now we have access to our washer fluid reservoir. We're going to locate three 10mm mounting bolts, two on the top and one on the bottom. Remove these now. Hold the reservoir up while you remove this last bolt. And pull it away from the vehicle. Release it from the mounting tab on the top right position. And pull it away. Remove the washer fluid hose from its holders. One on top, one on the bottom. One near the motor as well. Tilt the reservoir up so the fluid stays on the bottom. And now where the hose is. And just pull it off. Set it aside. Quick note, if your washer fluid reservoir is full, during removal of this washer fluid hose, have a drain pan ready for any fluid that comes out. We're going to move on to our wire harness and remove this clip using a trim tool. Just pry up. And using some needle nose pliers, we're going to remove our electrical connector. Press down on the tab and slide it out. Now to install our washer fluid reservoir. Bring it into place. Resecure your harness clip. Push it on the tabs. And reinstall your connector as well. Just slide it over and push fully down. Reinstall your washer fluid hose as well. Just slide it over and push all the way in until it seats. Reinstall it on the clip and the other clips as well. Now put the reservoir into place. There is a tab on this holder that goes into the frame of the vehicle. Hook it over. And hand thread on your 3 fasteners. Now snug these all down. We're also going to reinstall our washer fluid reservoir filler neck. Slide it in place near the headlight and insert it into the reservoir. Make sure the level gauge stays inside and push down. Line up the filler neck with the mounting position on the vehicle and reinstall your push pin clip. We're going to reinstall our bumper, put it into place and align the mounting tabs. Push the corners in. And do the same for the other side. With our bumper back on the vehicle, we're going to reinstall our 3 10mm fasteners. 2 screws on the corner. Just snug these down. And a bolt in the middle. Snug this down as well. We're going to move on to the sides of the bumper to re-secure our fender liner clips and our screw. Align the clips and push down. Do the same for the top one. Now we could also reinstall our screw. Repeat this for the other side. We're going to reinstall our 6 bottom fasteners for the bumper, starting here in the corner. Just snug these down. We're going to reinstall our solenoid connector, reach into the vehicle, align it and push in, and make sure it's secure. And that completes our install. Top off your washer fluid and ensure your windshield washers work. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.